I'm going to give you not 1, 2, 3, 4, but 5 ways to play the B7 chord here on the ukulele. All right, here we go. The first one here is this one. This is probably the easiest of all of them. It's going to be 4, 3, 2. Those are your frets, and then open first string. B7, number 1. The second one's going to bar. This is probably the one you see a lot, but actually kind of hard because you got to bar the second fret here and then second finger on the third string, 3rd fret. B7, number 2. Then we're going to slide right up here to the 4th fret. So 4, 6, 5, 6 right there. Boom, B7, number 3. Then we're going to be right up here on the 7th fret. This is 8, 9, 7, and 9. B7, number 4. And then the last one's going to be way up here on the 11th fret. There you go. 11, 11, 11, and then 12. And you got it right there. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 ways to play the B7 here on the ukulele. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment, all that stuff. But if you want to learn more, you want to get better at the ukulele, check out our courses, our memberships over at ukelikethepros.com.